is going to keep you guys out there. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Thank you. You guys just punch it with me, so you guys share. Merry Christmas. Thank you, everyone. Merry Christmas. You guys have a wonderful holiday.
Thank you. Appreciate all you do. Thank you.
Absolutely. I can take the rest of you off.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Please stay healthy, everyone. Okay, I don't want to see you in my nursing home the rest of the year. Okay? This is from my favorite farm in Iowa. Okay? Merry Christmas. This is from my favorite family farm in Iowa. Okay? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Make sure you guys share. Okay? Merry Christmas to you. Whoops. Broken that stuck together. Merry Christmas. It's from my farm in Iowa, okay? Merry Christmas. You guys have all been really good. I'm really proud of all of you. Hope you guys have a wonderful family holiday, okay?
I'll let you do you want to breathe real quick and then I'll show you.
All right, stay out of my nursing home. Merry Christmas. If you like it, please go to their farm in Iowa. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. I heard you guys were extra good. Merry Christmas.
Can we get a picture?
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Oh,
All right. All right, Merry Christmas. Oh, you're all over. Make sure you share, okay? Merry Christmas. I don't have enough for everyone. Merry Christmas. There you go. Merry Christmas. There you go. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Here you go. All right. I'll try to get that. There you go. You guys can share and you'll have a little here. Merry Christmas. All right. Hey, Merry Christmas. Safe travels. Absolutely. Merry Christmas. Hope you guys have a wonderful holidays. Yeah. I work in nursing homes. This stuff keeps you out of nursing homes, okay? I don't want to see any of you in my nursing homes ever, okay? All right. You guys get special ones because you're way in the back. All right. Merry Christmas. All right. You guys have a wonderful holiday.
Awesome. Thank you.
Merry